Are you looking for an epic resort stay close to Epic Universe? Oh boy, do I have the place for you. This is Vista Cay. It is located just minutes away from Universal's Epic Universe. In fact, it's the closest resort or condo or place you can stay that is not a Universal owned hotel or resort. It is just down the road for Epic Universe, and in fact, very, very close to the other Universal Orlando theme parks. All right, let's show you the condo before I show you around the property. Please note there is a community quiet time from 11 p.m. to 9 a.m. And here is home for your vacation stay. Very large condo, close to 3,000 square feet. Let's just begin the tour. Walking into the foyer. To the right we have the full-size kitchen, refrigerator, dishwasher, range, microwave, nice countertops, the bar stools, everything you need to live here for however long you want to stay, a week or more. You're going to have glasses, wine glasses, mugs, fully equipped, whatever you need, toaster, all the utensils you need, coffee makers, plates and bowls. You know what a kitchen looks like, right? Well, this is it. Should you choose to stay here for your vacation, it's your home away from home. Everything you need to live here and not have to eat out every night. So that's the kitchen area. Right off of the kitchen area, we're gonna have the dining room. Very nice setup here. I love the light fixture. There we go. Right off the dining room, this little credenza, if you will, full of games, categories, dominoes, backgammon, some fun family games already here for you. That is your dining area. Nice little sitting chair for someone. Facing the family room right here. Sectional and a chair. Big screen TV. This particular unit is a pool view. Let me peek over. That particular pool still under construction, but almost done. So nice pool view from the family room, and I believe a bedroom or two. Spin around. So the family and dining rooms, your common areas, your living area. Right through this way is your little balcony. We'll just take a peek out here. Patio set. Off of the main area, the main living area, family room, dining room, you're gonna have the master suite. Very large bedroom, plenty of space in here. Here's the bed. And TV, a chest of drawers, a very large closet here. There you go. Plenty of space for everything you brought with you, and more extra pillows, a fan, should you need it. Large mirror. Check your look before you go out at night. The master bathroom. Again, large. This unit, close to 3,000 square feet, I think. If I get the exact number, I will put that in the description box. Large vanity, a tub, walk-in shower, the actual loo. So plenty of space for you to get ready for your theme park day or your night out in the master suite. Now there are 3 more bedrooms to show you. This can sleep like at least up to 12 people, maybe 13 if someone wants to just lay on the couch there. But that was the master bedroom. Back through the family and the dining, and there's the kitchen. Right off this way we have a bedroom with 2 beds in it, so obviously 4 people could sleep in here. It has a closet as well, naturally. Another flat screen TV, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, and another look or view into the updated pool area. Very close to being done. There is another pool, which I will show you. This property does have multiple pools. So leaving that bedroom, heading into another, almost another suite. There's a bathroom there and a bedroom in there. And you can pull this curtain for a little more privacy for that area. But this is more like the bathroom for the entire condo as well. But into this bedroom, one larger bed versus the 2 beds. Show you a little bit of the decor, a little mirror there. And of course, a chest of drawers and a flat screen TV, closets here. And also, a little bit of a view of the pool area from this room as well. So this was what, the 3rd bedroom I showed you? Yep. And it has the bathroom right over here, vanity, sink, toilet. This is a tub shower combo for this shower, or bathroom I should say. Now leaving this and going to the 4th bedroom, right this way, right off the kitchen. 2 beds in here, so obviously 2 people can sleep there and there, so 4 can go into this room with a flat screen TV. So that's all, what I say, 4 bedrooms. This is not a hotel room or a hotel suite. This is a full-fledged home. You're home away from home as you visit the Central Florida area. I love it. I love this concept. I love the condo, and just the ability to have a large family vacation and just be a little more comfortable than you would be in, say, a hotel room. And this is just down the road from the brand new Epic Universe theme park, and probably 8 to 10 minute drive if you go to the other Universal theme parks, or take an Uber. But if you're going to stay here for any length of time, hopefully you're having a car rental. Everything you need to have a comfortable stay and enjoy Central Florida. I'm going to leave more information about the entire resort, and if I can get the exact square footage of this, I will, but It's got to be close to 3,000 square feet, if not over that. It's very large. You can be very, very comfortable here. Now I think what we're going to do, I showed you the one pool through the window, but there's more to the property. Let's go for a little walk. Whoops, here's something I almost forgot to show you. But if you're staying here for a while, you're going to need to know you do have a full-size washer dryer. There is a baby high chair if you have the need. Beach towels, or I should say the pool towels, right up there for you. Ironing board and iron. So everything you need to live, you have right here at Vista Cay. There's a couple of card keys right here to help us access the pool when we come to it. This is the main clubhouse. Let's go inside and take a look. There is a resort map at the front of the clubhouse. The main lobby of the clubhouse. There's an ATM and business center. Plenty of brochures to help you find something fun to do. A little game room for you. And to the left of the clubhouse, this is how you get to the fitness center. And there is a pool at the clubhouse. We've seen it through the window of the condo. It is almost done with its renovations. This is going to be the kids' play area of the pool once it's completed. Further that way, the main pool. There's a nice walking trail by the lake for your evenings or morning walks. We're going to take it to the other pool area that we have access to. Along the way, we can see there's a little picnic and grilling area for the community. And there's also a basketball court. Hope you get some exercise, shooting some hoops. You're also within walking distance of a Publix grocery store and some other places to eat and get some treats. I'll show you that a little bit later on too. This is their newest pool and bar area. That's one pool there. I'll walk you around to the other. In between the two pools, the bar area. And here is the other pool. And like I said, the pool by the clubhouse is so close to being done, but these have recently been updated and refurbished, so you have access to these bathrooms, pools, the bar area. Very, very nice. Our condo was right there at the clubhouse and that pool, but this was just a short, I don't even think 5-minute walk to this pool as well. A little seating area, gazebo if you will. A nice fire pit area too. Now we're going to head back towards our condo and the clubhouse area because some stuff to show you in front of this property. A little shopping district. But first, real fast, as we leave this area of the property, I'll show you another larger shopping complex. This is actually the backside of Publix. So just minutes away, you have a full-fledged Publix grocery store, a Dunkin' Donuts, a Subway, there's a Sushi Hut, a Chipotle. So you can just walk to all this stuff and get any supplies you may need to put in that full-size kitchen you have at the condo, or grab something easy like Dunkin' and Subway. Also in this complex, the diner, a breakfast and lunch spot for you. And oh my goodness, they have a Beth's Burgers here. I used to eat at the one downtown when I worked downtown. Those are really good. Oh yes, we're in the tourist area. A tourist gift shop. Get those Disney and Universal t-shirts right there. 3 for $10. This is a very, very large complex. So now I'm going to walk you to the little shopping district that is very, very close to our unit. It's at the front to the entire resort. And it has a pizza place I highly recommend and a sweet treats place that I very highly recommend. This is the front of the resort. Clubhouse just back there. A lot of units that way. A lot of units this way, including the pool I just showed you and that Publix shopping center. But behind us, as we turn around, Epic Universe is pretty much right that way. But I'm going to show you some of the things you have here at the front of the resort that would come in helpful during your stay. A super duper convenient Walgreens and a few other things just down this way that may interest you during your stay. I love Sliders Pizza, and then just a few steps away, Small Cakes, which I'm gonna have to buy a couple of cupcakes right now, because if Nikki sees that I have done this video and I did not bring home some cupcakes from here, I might get in trouble. Let the record show it's not even 10 a.m. The cupcake place doesn't open till 11. I have an excuse, Nikki. I tried to get them for you. And here we have Moma's Cafe, made from scratch breakfast and lunch. There's a lot of Universal team members that live in this area, and they do frequent this Moma's Cafe, so if the locals like it, must be good. Please note, they are closed on Tuesdays. Oh, and across the street, that is Universal's Stella Nova, and that is Universal's Terra Luna. And right next to Stella Nova, this is a small camera, but I'm going to zoom in as best I can. Maybe I'll put a circle right there, but that is the back of Bowser's Castle in Super Nintendo World. So we're looking at the back end of Super Nintendo World's Mario Kart. That's how close you are to Epic Universe. So to get to Epic Universe, you would basically leave the resort, hang a right on Universal Boulevard here, and then hang a left on Destination, and then hang a left onto Epic Boulevard. There is more information and links about Vista Cay in the description box. But you know what I'm gonna do right now? Check this out. I'm going to ride my e-bike to Epic Universe. But that's gonna be another video. We're done for today. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. We'll see you next time, maybe at Vista Cay.